Page number 2 and 4 nana. Topic name circular motion nana. Okay. Here, look here nana. Question number 107 nana. According to question number 107 nana, the angular frequency of the fan increases from omega initial equal to 30 rotation per minute. Simply RPM. Omega final given 60 RPM. Time value is given 10 seconds. Sorry, 5 seconds. Okay. Here nana, a dust particle is present. Distance is given 20 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Find the tangential acceleration. Look here. Find the tangential acceleration. What is the definition of tangential acceleration? We know that morning I give AT formula is R alpha. But here alpha is not given. Okay, look here. But according to kinematic first equation, omega final equal to omega initial plus alpha t. According to kinematic first equation, alpha right as omega final minus omega initial by t. Look here. According to kinematic first equation in the rotatory motion. Okay, here plus other side minus alpha t equal to omega final minus omega initial. Alpha is right, omega final by omega initial into t. Morning చెప్పా RPM దేంట్లోకి మార్చాలి, రేడియన్ పర్ సెకండ్. కన్వర్షన్ ఎంత, 2 pi by 60 radian per second. Here look here, 60 into 2 pi by 60 radian per second. Here 30 into 2 60 cancel. Omega initial value pi, omega final 60 cancel 2 pi. Here substitute R value 20 centimeter, 20 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Omega final 2 pi, omega initial pi 2 pi minus pi whole by time is given pi. Okay, here 20 into 10 power minus 2, 2 pi minus pi, 2 pi minus pi, pi cancel. Finally we get tangential acceleration is 20 into 10 power minus 2. Please 109. Look here. In the question number 109 nana, 2 stones are there. This is the first stone nana. Its mass is m. It moving in the circular path. Its radius is given r. Okay. Next nana, next particle, its mass is 2m. It moving in the circular path. Okay, its radius is r by 2. Okay nana. And again the question is, here particle speed is n times of the here. Here particle speed is v1, here particle speed is v2. according to question, V1 is n, V2 is given. Okay, and another keyword in the problem, force acting on the first particle equal to force acting on the second particle. And again, both the forces are centripetal forces. Simply, centripetal force of the first particle equal to centripetal force of the second particle. Centripetal force formula, we know that F formula mv square by r. Look here, it write m1 v1 square by r1 equal to m2 v2 square by r2. Okay, Nana? Look here. What is the centripetal force formula? mv square by r. According to this situation, m1 value is m, v1 value is right nv2, v1 square n square v2 square by radius is r equal to right side mass is 2m. Okay, mass is 2m, v2 square second particle, radius is r by 2, r cancel, m cancel, v2 square cancel, n square equal to 2 into 2 4. What is the n value? 2. Completed. Very important now. Here coordinate of x is 5t minus 2t square. Coordinates of y is 10t. Okay. Here x comma y are meters, t is time. Okay. Find acceleration of the particle. Find acceleration, Nana. This is the question. We know that what is the basic definition of velocity? Displacement by time. What is the definition of acceleration? Velocity by time. Simply, first to determine velocity. Velocity definition: rate of change of displacement. Okay. Already I discussed differentiation concept. D by dt of what is the x value here? 5t minus 2t square. Look here. Here first common 5. T ki differentiation 1. Okay. Minus 2 common. T square ki differentiation 2t. Okay. Here v value is 5 minus 4t. 5 minus 4t. Okay. 5 minus 4t. In the situation, a value is, a definition is dv by dt. Simply rate of change of velocity. Here write velocity value. Nana, differentiation perfect ga undali meeru. D by dt of 5 minus 4t. A equal to, look here, constant differentiation 0 minus 4 common, t ki differentiation 1. What is the value of a? Minus 4. This is x-axis, so this is called ax. Okay. Next, similarly here v, velocity definition. Rate means denominator lo time, change of displacement. Here y value substitute. Look here, d by dt of 10 into t. Here 10 constant common, t ki differentiation 1. This is the velocity value. Next, to determine acceleration. Acceleration definition is dv by dt. d by dt, what is the v value? 10. Any constant, differentiation becomes 0. Simply ay 0. వాడు అడిగింది ఏ బార్ అంటే ax I cap ప్లస్ ay j cap. ay 0 కాబట్టి సింప్లీ 4 -4 is the answer. Nana, to learn differentiation concept. 3 nana, exercise 3. Exercise 3, question number 50 nana. Question number 50. I explain the question nana. Particle moving in the circular path nana. Okay. The particle moving in the circular path in the question. AB is the diameter, CB the center. Okay. Here radius is given R. Radius is given R. Okay. Here particle is here now. Particle is at point P. The question is angular velocity of the particle with respect to point A by angular velocity of the particle with respect to point C. This is the question. This ratio can be determined. What is the basic definition of omega Anudeep? Displacement by time. Here 1 by t. Okay. Displacement definition is arc length by radius. Once again I repeat, omega definition theta by t, 1 by t, theta defined as arc length by radius. Okay, yesterday I discussed omega a. First to determine omega a. Look here, omega a. Idega formula 1 by t. Okay. Here with respect to a, line joining this angle alpha. Simply omega definition displacement by time. Here with respect to a, angle is alpha, time is t. 1 by t, alpha, angle definition, arc length by radius. With respect to a, this is the radius. Arc length is PB, radius is 2r. Look here, with respect to this point here, this is the center. With respect to here, this is the radius. What is the radius? 2r. Omega a completed. Next I discuss omega c. With respect to c, one line is joining. Here this angle is beta. Angular velocity definition is angle by time. What is the angle? Angle means arc length by radius. PB by what is the radius? R. Okay. Find omega a by omega c. Can be calculated in your own manner. 51. According to this question, starting from rest, a wheel rotates with uniform angular acceleration. Starting from rest means omega I becomes 0. Up to 4 seconds, it will be accelerate. Angular acceleration is given 2 pi. Okay. Here find omega final. Look here. V is there, U is there, A is there, T is there. V, U, A, T. Kinematic first equation. Omega final equal to omega initial plus alpha t. Here what is the omega final? Omega f Omega initial 0 because wheel initially rest. Alpha value 2 pi, t value 4. What is the final answer? 8 pi. Now here angular acceleration CGS means remove. Once again I repeat, CGS means remove. Angular acceleration remove means alpha value 0. Okay, in the situation here omega final, here act omega initial. ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా, ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది అంటే హియర్ ఒమేగా ఇనిషియల్ 8 పై, టైమ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ నెక్స్ట్ 4 seconds. ఇన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ డిటర్మైన్ యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ డిటర్మైన్ మీన్స్ ఎస్ వాల్యూ డిటర్మైన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కైనమాటిక్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్? theta ఈక్వల్ టు omega it plus half alpha t square. Here all values substitute to get the answer. Here a cyclist speed is given 27 kilometer per hour kmph. It will be converted into meter per second. 5/18 meter per second. Here nana 9 3s 9 2s into 5. Finally we get 7.5 meter per second. This is the speed. Here cyclist moves circular path. Its radius is given 80 meter. I explain the question again. Look here. This is the cyclist moving in the circular path. On the cyclist, two accelerations act. One is centripetal acceleration, other one is tangential acceleration. Okay? What is the centripetal acceleration formula? V square by R. V value is given, R value is given. Substitute to determine the AC. And again, according to question, AT value is given. AT value is given 0.5. AC is there, AT is there. These two vectors are perpendicular. What is the net acceleration in non-uniform circular motion? What is the net acceleration? AC square plus AT square. Here AC value substitute, AT value substitute, and finally we get net acceleration value. వచ్చేయాలి హర్షవర్ధన్. Diagram. X-axis, Y-axis. Here radius is 2 meters. In the situation, this is AT. AT value is given 1.5. Okay? And here speed is given. Speed is given 10 meter per second. Find net acceleration in terms of vector form. This is the question. Here body moving in the circular path. Okay, two accelerations are present. One is tangential acceleration. Simply a t bar plus towards the center the acceleration is centripetal acceleration. This is the body. Towards center, this is AC bar. Once again I repeat, this is the vector form. That's why net acceleration is nothing but the tangential acceleration plus centripetal acceleration based on options. Here a net bar equal to, look here, AT is given 1.5. Here, look here. It will be acting downward. Downward means negative y-axis. Negative y-axis means minus j cap. Okay, completed. Plus AC bar means towards the center. Towards the center, that acceleration is centripetal acceleration. Formula is v square by r. V value 10. 10 into 10. Radius value is 2. 2 how many times? 5 times. AC value 50. Simply here write 50. This is the negative x-axis. Negative x-axis means minus I cap. Here centripetal acceleration is given k square r t square. Find net acceleration, Nana. The question is find net acceleration in the non-uniform circular motion. We know that net acceleration formula is AT square plus AC square. AC is given, don't worry. మరి నెక్స్ట్ ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? ఏటీ ఏం కనుక్కోవాలన్నా? ఏటీ ఏ అంటే యాక్సిలరేషన్, డివి బై డిటి వెలాసిటీ బై టైం. దీన్ని బట్టి వెలాసిటీ అర్థం చూడండి. ఏసీ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ వి స్క్వేర్ బై ఆర్. రైట్ సైడ్ k square r t square. Here what is the v square value? K square r square t square. What is the v value? K r t. Okay, this is the v value. What is the tangential acceleration formula? R alpha. Other formula dv by dt. Velocity by time. Here write v value d by dt of what is the v value? K r t. Here k is a constant. At write as k is a constant common, r is a constant common. T ki differentiation already completed. 1 At value kr, AC value k square r t square. These two values substitute here. Finally we get the solution. Very important question in the final exam.